InfoPy YouTube channel. My channel is motivation, understanding, easy learning, knowledge, innovative of education to awareness related to health. Everybody useful news will be come to you joining with us. Today we have see one interesting topic related to how how the measure to reduce the mental stress of students during the lockdown period. We see what do we mean by corona. Corona means is a spreading of global, but important is to take the necessary measures. Corona is virus disease is namely by WHO in the 11th February 2020 is called COVID-19. WHO declared the global emergency 13th January 2020 as an investigation still is going on the determine of more about the out of break. Next one is what do you mean by corona? Corona means that is a name like a crown like appearance that is called the coronavirus. It is a cause of respiratory problem related to sinus, throat, lungs, nose among respiratory areas, especially difficult to breathing, throat pain. That all thing will happen for the especially symptoms for the coronavirus. Coronavirus are large family of virus which may cause of illness to animals or human being. In human beings, several coronavirus are known as cause of respiratory infection, range from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East respiratory syndromes and severe acute respiratory symptoms. They are most of recently discovered the coronavirus. A coronavirus disease is called COVID-19. Lockdown period in all our world, lockdown period is going on, son. But in our country, especially with the country under 40 days lockdown is going on. School and colleges are now closed. The students now have no other option but to spending their time to at the home. Even though most of institutions are conducting the virtual class, students are still finding it hard to spend the time at the home. From a power of packed schedules, they now spend most of them their time in front of the televisions. Students are at the stage of when they constantly should be learning something new, like and keeping themselves of engaged in productive activities. See what are the mental hygiene. What is my first mental hygiene? Mental hygiene, whatever the should be you want to follow for them. First one is try to enjoy your life to the fullest. Don't worry about them. Don't get panic about the regarding especially this lockdown period. So no ego reaction should be. Don't waste your time to energy and unnecessary working, and organize the life functional so the important things get down the timing and can love other people easily and without any fears, and family members to talk with your frankly and tell your idea, innovation suggestion, anything you can share with your family members. And same time, uh, keep it your spaces, space and strength, whatever the strength, what is your strength and peace when they we need it. Next one is mainly laughing. You have see the comedy, like movies, no repetitive the watch the news as regarding COVID-19 repeatedly. This should be avoid for them. Find the humorous related most situation you can do for them. Don't like a virus related repeated news too should be avoided. Look for the solution instead complaints for about the problem and of the problem. What is your problem? You can solution making for regarding your problem, and act out the their own self interest. आपकी self interest, regarding to your self interest you want to do for them. Next, you have strong consent of set the value. What is the value of you that you strong you can consent for. Next, face the new ideas with an open minded spectrum. Next one is what is the new innovative creative ideas or hobbies we can do for, like you can do for them. Online counseling regarding to mental is there in our National Institute of Mental Health Neuroscience will doing for them. Check your regular medicines and foods and materials should be availability in your home or not. Suppose you can taking anything. Next, avoid using the tobacco, alcohol and other related drugs during especially this lockdown period for them. That is unhealthy for you also. Next one is home activities. What are the home activities you want to follow them? Yoga, meditation. and brainstorming. Use the learning apps, online courses will be can do. So many online courses is there, and watch the inspirational cinemas, watch support oriented video, your subject oriented video, make the daily schedules, respect your humanity for older people and other people. Do clean and home and rest and spend with the time with your family with positive attitudes. Help with the female household activities, indoor games you can do, and accept the situation exactly as it is. Be no judgment for them. Don't do not believe any false news regarding to WhatsApp or social media, etc. And educate your children for simple life and reading the books and stress management. This all should be want to do in your home activities. We can see one by one little bit briefly. For first one is physical activity. Physical activity is a reduce to your stress. Regular participation of you are doing aerobic exercise you are doing means your overall tension should be reduced, your mood also stabilization will be, and same time improve your sleeping and sleeping esteem also. Especially mind body practice. This is the breathing exercise yoga esteems doing for them. Other effective method of doing for body mind practice you are doing breathing and yoga exercise, very meditations are you can do. Relaxation technique should be want to follow for them, used to assess the treatment of especially phobia, panic disorder and depression, as well as providing relieving from the people stressful situation. Next one is managing unscrutinated by the staying the in present. For example, take each day as it comes to and focus on the things you can control. Mindfulness and meditation can be do for them, and social engagement to activities to do for anything for others people's a sense of belong with well-being of us of the days, and be part of a group dynamic also help to improve the social skill confidence also. Next one is taking the part of fun activities help to improve the moods and allow with the fun better to day to day you can base also. Next one is maintain your routine work. Whatever your routine work you are following your schedule as per your in your home, you want to should be follow for them physically and mentally also. Next one is increase them continue learning. You can learn new things for them, and playing, eating healthy foods and sleeping very well for your reduce your stress, and listening the music. Unnecessary night time should be sit and watch TV. Don't mental also stress, and physically also you face the problem. Listening the music, effective music is a cope up with the stress. Music can be reduce your stress hormone, especially pulse power pulse rates, here for the rating and classical music, and play your any any musical instruments you can play for them, any guitar likes like whatever your hobbies you can do for them. Next one is maintain the community and social connection. How can maintain the community and social connection? Develop the plan for them connective with the friends or extended to the family in safe ways. If you for phone or text or video chat you can do for them, video calling or by phone or conference call, your wherever family members you can they have to communicate it with you themselves. Texting and social media of okay, pick up the phone and talking with the video conference, having the safe distance confusion of street for you can maintain the better for you. Next one is and social media especially for the so many is you can you do any innovative activities for posting for social medias to for the helping to the others related to you whatever your knowledge you are gathering for the others. Next, see the picture like for them for phone calling, how conference you are sleeping, learn new books and meditation, you are dancing, COVID distance maintaining, healthy foods also you want to do fun. Next, read of a few uh, good books. For example, you have like more journals, novels, magazine, comedy stories, motivational book, inspirational books, biography related, innovative books. So many online is there, offline also is there. You can utilize for them your previously in your home whatever a book is there you can read for them now. Best time to spending with the lockdown period you can read for them, you can learn new things, you can develop your update your knowledge also regarding for them. And one is your subject study subject also you can study for them, that also helping for you watching them in YouTube or channels regarding subject related also very helpful one. Next one is spending time with your family members. This is a very important thing, spending with your time during by your school or college you maybe not get any enough time to talk with your family. Now okay, opportunity given for them to talk with your family, help your parents, householding activities, extra time you are spending with your grandparents, everything you can do for them. Next Next one is create a college. For example, every student having the college year, college time, they have photographic, they have good time of spending organization, you are organizing with the college, so you can remember your friends and college at that time, your funny activities doing in college. That is little bit share your social media, you related bit, you can stress and relieve anxiety also lockdown, mainly this lockdown period you are sharing with your previous old is the remember means you can little bit to happiness, so you will remember the happiness moods also will come to you. Next one is yoga. Yoga is very important for them. This is a should be follow for them. Yoga is a group of physical and mentally spiritually practice for a discipline which the oriented of ancient of India. Yoga is a very ancient of India. It's helped to integrate the lot of energy, boosting your stamina, health to relaxation also. Do not forget maintain the healthy diets, very important. Next one is mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation exercise of improve your strength and agility to can help to build up your immunity system, very helpful. The meditation help to reduce your relaxation, stress, everything will help them. Especially you are doing heart rate reduce for them, your hormones will be there better physically and emotionally healthy for them. This is very helpful for them. So not only that one thing, and your physical health also, your body strength also, better breathing were better for you. That is all things based you can improve yourselves. Meditation is not only for reduce the symptoms depression, especially anxiety, that is very helpful for them. Increase the volume of retain the area of our brains. That picture you can see written how their brain is them. That is very energy boosting like for them. Exercise, the exercise is very important. Control our weight or maintain our body health from prevent from the disease, and improve your moods and boost your energy, promote better sleeping, and exercise can be make you feel young and healthy for you. That is very nice. Painting, suppose so many hobbies is there. Painting is or whatever your hobbies you can do for them. Not compulsory painting, your childhood whatever activities for painting is a natural form of expression to claim the meditation. Therefore some meditative activities for for your creative innovative, you draw any painting for regarding, suppose you can students any drawing related your studies is that you can draw any pictures related, that like you want to practice for them, you are helpful for your examination upcoming exam for them, that you can motivate for you. Other students also share it with social medias. Get out in nature if you can. If you suppose your home you have any outside little bit garden is there, you can go for them, you can take breathing for them, practice for them, good habits for the body and mind as well. Especially green color grass and blue spaces is also to reduce the anxiety and depressions, if you see means. And learning the language, you already know what you have so many, if you knowledge you means you learn the new language for them, that you can communicate it for very helpful for them. Suppose if you know, first suppose you know very well Hindi, suppose you can learn English more. If you you don't know English means you can learn English also. Otherwise you can other language you can learn also for know in our India so many languages that you can learn, very helpful for you. The learning is the new things with me means you can do your professional life, your professional very helpful for them. Suppose your future going to work any other out of countries you are going means abroad, very helpful for you. Next, games. Students spending so much of time to on the interest to playing the video games. For example, always sitting playing video game is monopoly board chess like you can do for them. For example, game very helpful for them. You diverting for you, and best time to pack of touch with evergreen board games like for example indoor game chess, badminton, whatever there, carom board, snakes and ladders, ludus games, playing cards, fix, etc. Whatever that related to games, very helpful for your stress also. You can easily occur from your this lockdown period. Next one is grow plants. For example, see this picture, how they grow. Growth of plants is the same like your tulsi ayurvedic, whatever there you know availability of your home regarding, you can do for plants something activities regarding some gardening help to for the stress relief for them, to prevent especially put the environment especially during time to this time to maintain for them. Next one is declutter for your home. For example, working on your home, suppose you have see this picture, if you have work, your home is feel uncontrollable, you can maintain your home opportunity extra time to have clean your home and organize your home, you are arranging for them, you are rearranging anything, or you are innovative, or you can creating your home like any activities related you can do. Next, watch good movies and TV shows. For example, everybody like the TV watching the movies, and using the mobile phone and gadget whatever there, etc. But you can watch the television movies. For example, your comedy related movie now, you can spend with this especially this quarantine time, you have one some of 1 second, you can watch this type of movie, topic interested, topic related any movie you can see. Also your education related topics, the movies, and you can see in your in online. So many is there. For example, Amazon is there, Amazon Prime is there, Netflix is there. For in your religious basis, really regional basis, so many app is also there, TV is there, you can spend with them related. And so many movies are related in YouTube also available. Not only that, you can helpful for your reducing your stress. Subject related movies, or subject related videos you can see is comedy shows, motivation movies, and sports related movie, whatever there you can see according to your interest for them. And one is, what are the facility government given, both of state government, central government, so many facilities given. National Institute of Mental Health Neuroscience given for them, health using for them, center of addressing mental health issues related, active do you have any crisis regarding to mental, you are this lockdown period, you can have free toll free number is there, you can call for them, you can get counseling from there. Keep it in your mind for any inquiry related for this is official website of our government of India regarding COVID-19. And government launched to download the app for Arogya setup, so everybody can download for your mobile phone, you can check your status, and according your Bluetooth ways to analyze for them. Next, by government social hub is there, government at the rate of government India is there, social media, YouTube, WhatsApp, Messenger, Twitter, Facebook, so many is there, etc. Helpline is there, 24 into 7 helpline is there. And toll free number, toll free is there, number is there, and helpline for the email ID also there. And more official ways, you want to in more about corona regarding anything, you want to update knowledge, you can follow this all things, keep it your mind to inquiry related. This all reference for regarding doing for regarding the corona related and students related doing for. Okay, thank you very much everybody. I want to say to stay home, stay safe, and save lives. Thank you very much once again.